Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by validating the essentials quickly. First, check your connection speed. If it's under 5 Mbps, you'll likely see blur in HD, so switch to 480p until it improves. Next, open the player settings and force the resolution to 720p or 1080p. Automatic selection sometimes downscales. Once set, pause the video for about 10 to 20 seconds to build buffer at that resolution. Then play. These first steps resolve most immediate blurriness caused by throttling or auto quality. Once you've handled quick fixes, move to deeper execution. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a clear 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel. This reduces packet loss and latency, which cause adaptive quality drops. Then clear your browser cache, disable extensions, or test in incognito to rule out software interference. Make sure your browser or YouTube app is updated and enable hardware acceleration. This offloads decoding to the GPU and avoids CPU bottlenecks. Finally, monitor CPU and GPU load. If they're maxed, lower resolution or close heavy apps. Finish by confirming improvements and isolating remaining causes. Restart your router and device, then wait 30 to 60 seconds before reconnecting. This clears transient network faults. If blurriness continues, test a different device or browser to determine whether it's device-specific or network-related. If alternate devices play fine, troubleshoot the problematic device. Otherwise, reduce resolution or retry during off-peak hours, since congestion can force low quality. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, contact your ISP and mention packet loss or sustained low throughput.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.